Welcome. If you've been wondering how to let everyone join your private servers on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps to make your private servers open to all players. Whether you want to invite friends or just let anyone jump in, this simple guide will help you get there quickly. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your device. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. That's the More menu. Tap on those dots to open up additional options. Next, scroll through the menu and tap on Settings. This is where you control all your Roblox preferences, including privacy and server settings. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section controls who can see and join your games, so it's important to get this right. Now, look for Visibility and Private Servers and tap on it. This is the key area where you manage who can access your private servers. Once you're in the Private Servers section, you'll see different options for who can join your servers. To allow everyone to join, simply select Everyone. This setting opens your private servers up, letting any player hop in without needing an invite. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your private server settings to allow everyone to join. It's a great way to meet new players, build communities, or just have more fun with a wider group. Remember, while opening your servers to everyone can be exciting, it's always good to keep an eye on who's joining and make sure your gaming experience stays safe and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming on Roblox. Don't forget to check back for more tips and updates to keep your Roblox experience fresh and fun.